face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Nana Yao and I do videos about how to make money online and learn as well. So if you're new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then please, this channel is for you. Hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I upload concerning how to make money online and learn as well. So in this video, just want to show you guys how you can make extra money just by playing or testing games. Yeah, you download games on Play Store, your iOS or your Apple Store, and you play them for free. And in this video I'll show you how you can make money playing those games. Yeah, you will not get rich playing the games, but you can make extra money to pay your bills and do use it for something else by just watching this video. So watch this video till the end, because maybe I will mention something that you don't know and it may affect you just by skipping it and trying it out. So this website is called playtestcrowd.com, and you can have it and use it. They have an I think an app, or they will send you games to test through apps and something like that. And the good thing is you can download their apps through Android devices and iOS devices. So make games that players love. Playtest Crowd is your one-stop solution for playtesting mobile games during prototyping, development, software launch, and after release. So you can sign up, and these companies support them, and I think it's cool how it works. Set up your playtest in less than 5 minutes. We let the right target audience test your game. Watch and listen to videos of players playing your game. I think this is for the companies who are interested in publishing their games, or who want testers to test their games for them. So we have the players. You can come out here and read more about them. It's really a legit site, and they really pay. So what I would advise you guys is that if you're outside the United States, please make sure you connect your VPN before signing up, and choose United States when you signing up. And also anytime that they send you tests, make sure you connect your VPN before clicking on the link in your email. Before I forget, I should have said this in the starting. This website or application is a gaming testing application. It's like when companies, I mean people, create new games, they need to be tested before they publish it, or after they've published it. They may not know the bugs, I mean the faults, the issues in the games or the application. So they will come to Playtest Cloud, then they will publish it to them like, hey, I have this game blah blah blah, and I want people to test these games for me. So Playtest Cloud will also send their link to you. So you go to Google Play Store, you download the app, then you test it. And once you test it and they review it and it's perfect for them, they will just approve it, then they send you payment. The least amount I think you can get is I think $9, which is not bad. So imagine you test even 2 games per week. That's something else, and you can get more games to test, and you can make money. As I said, you will not get rich, but you get extra money to pay for your bills and other stuffs, which is cool. So we will try signing up to see. So I'll click on it. their their payment method is PayPal. I think everybody have PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, please check the right corner of this the right top corner of this video. On a card will appear. Click on it and you get to know how to create PayPal. Even outside United States, you can create it. Even if PayPal is not supported in your country, you can still create it. So you sign up here. My name, I'll say Nana. Yeah. Company, organization. Oh, sorry. You click on become a tester. So we'll click on become a tester. Okay, so as you can see, we will send games to your email address. Think out loud while you play, get paid via PayPal. So what they mean about think out loud when you play is when you are playing or testing the game, you need to let them feel you. I mean your impressions playing or testing the game. Maybe when you playing the games, like, wow, this game is good or this game is bad. The controls are good, they are easy to control, the players are really cool or something like that. Then you say maybe the background sound is also amazing, the background sound is poor, this button does not work, this button does not function, something like that. You make them know what you feel while playing the game. So you say it, you make them feel you. That's what they mean about think out loud while you play the game. Then after that, if your game, or they review your bags, let me put it that way, they review your bag and they approve it, then you get paid via PayPal. So you sign up, input your email here, you put in your full name here, then which games do you like to play at least weekly. It doesn't mean that you should be a gamer before trying this website. As here they asking which game, so you have to put in games here. So if you don't have any game in mind, or if you're not a gamer, you can just go to Google Play Store or Apple Store, then you search for games, then you come back here and put in here. The games that they send you to test are easy to play. Yeah, and it's not necessary for you to be a gamer. Whilst you playing the game, then you express how you feel, the feelings, the mood, so that they know, or they also get to know what you're feeling whilst playing the game. Then your gaming device, you add one. If you use maybe Samsung Galaxy S8 to test the games, then you put in here. Please, laptops or desktop computers are not allowed to be used to test with this website. So which country do you live? You should put USA here. If you outside, even if you outside United States, you should put USA. You should select USA, but make sure your VPN is on before you come here to register, because if you don't on your VPN to USA, maybe after completing a task in which you need to be paid, they will not pay you because they may detect your country. So if they detect and they know you're not from the United States, your payment will not be sent to you. So you need to connect your VPN to United States and make sure you select USA as your country. Then you select your gender, your ages, and I want to receive monthly news about play testing. If you want, you check that. The second one, you check it. Okay, so common questions, you can ask them questions. And the one thing I love about this website is that if you have a kid, or if you have a child, you can add account for your child through your profile. Like, you can add your child, so in case they have games for children, then they alert you allow your child to play. Then once your child plays, he or she will also think out loud. So once it has been approved, they pay your child, and I think you can get double money for that, which is cool on It's really amazing. This site is legit and they're still paying, so I urge everybody to try out this video. I'll leave the link under the description so that you check it out. Thank you for coming back to my channel, and I think I'll end here. Hope you found this video important. If you loved it, please hit on the like button, and again, if you're new to this channel and interested in making money online, then please hit on the subscribe button so that you don't miss any video that I upload concerning how to make money online and learn as well. Thank you once again for coming back to my channel, and hope to see you again. Bye.
MDK Awada.
Face, tell me that you love me.